You don't need a website, don't need a credit card. Do this from anywhere in the world, and I repeat, applicable worldwide. This is amongst the greatest, coolest and fastest way to make money online. Before we go any further, comment below, give me that money. Also mention your country by saying Nicaragua, Brazil, Cuba, Nigeria, Australia, wherever you're from, represent in the comment below. If this video hits 2,500 likes, I'll do a $250 giveaway, and that's easy PayPal money for you right there. So now you see, by watching my video, you can also start making money online. But the best is still to come, so keep watching. Check the description below on how to enter the giveaway. We all want to make money online, but not everyone has the resources to go out there and create a website, pay companies lots of money to do search engine optimization, invest millions of dollars in paid ads on Google, Facebook, TikTok, and so on. So there are great opportunities out there that work with no initial investment at all. You don't need to break a bank, get a credit card, or dig into your hard-earned savings. Believe me, you don't even need one day or a single hour of education. This video is amongst the best shortcuts and easiest ways you could ever take to making money online. So I encourage you to pay close attention and go through all these simple steps over and over again. Alright, so now I want you to come to YouTube and type in or search Fortnite. When you've done so, let's say most recent viral videos. So for example this, 1 million in 1 day, just open it in a new tab, then keep searching. We don't want something like this. It has to be viral. It has to have like 1 million views, so keep searching. Alright, we got 2 million views in 2 months, but we want something pretty new, so we keep searching. Alright, 2.9 million views in a month. Open in a new tab. 1.4 million in 2 days. Awesome. Open a new tab. So keep searching viral videos. 5.1 million in a month. That's good. Keep searching. 1.6. Alright, open a new tab. Alright, so I got a little assignment for you now. Open a notepad and copy the title right here. Copy it, open your notepad, paste it in there. And get the link, copy it, close this, open your notepad and share it, and just paste it right here. And get the next video. Copy the title, paste it in the notepad, and get the link, copy it, paste it right here, and grab your next video. Just copy the title, paste it in here. Just simple copy and paste. And grab this, copy it, close it, open, and paste it in here. You can do this for as many links as you want. We'll just stop with 3. And yeah, so this is how you're gonna start making money. Alright, so you head over to shrinkme.io, and it says this is the highest paying URL shortener. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our links from YouTube, shorten them, and you can start earning money. So this is a very easy and fast way of making money. You know, all you need to do is register with this platform, and you can start making up to $220 US for getting over, let's say, 10,000 clicks on your links, right? So 1,000 clicks, you get $22 US, up to $22 US. depending on where you live. But I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get the highest possible payment on this platform. Alright, so we scroll down. It's very, very easy. 3 steps and you start making money. Create an account, shorten your link, and start earning money. Very easy. Cool. Why join Shrink Me? It's a very easy platform. In just 3 steps, you start making money. As soon as you get your first clicks and you start making $5, you can start cashing your PayPal money right there. Alright? It's got a beautiful administrative panel. I'm going to show that to you. You get pretty awesome detailed statistics so you can track your earnings and stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. It's got over 750,000 registered users, so it's a pretty cool platform. Total shortened URLs, that's about 11 million already, and total clicks over 23 million already. So that people are really making money with this platform. I'm going to show you how it works, and if you have any questions or whatever, you can just send them an email to the support team right here from the homepage. So very easy stuff, and these are the payment methods that they actually use. So wherever in the world you are, if you can't use PayPal in your country, you can use maybe these other payment gateways. Cool. Alright, so we're in, and let's get registered and start making money. Alright, so you remember I promised a little bonus. Let's check it out right here. So these are the payouts. That is, how much you actually earn from a particular location. And you see here, Greenland, $22 per 1,000 clicks. Ireland, 16. Belgium, 7. United Kingdom, 7. United States, 7. Canada, and so on. I don't know actually where you live, but maybe you live in, let's say, Egypt, but you want to earn 22 or 16 or 7. Maybe your country's not on this list, but you still want to earn. So I got you covered. So this is how you're gonna do this. So head over to this free tool right here. It's free VPN Chrome extension. Just search it up on Google and download it, and it's easy. What it does is it will actually change your location. Alright, so when you activate it, you can actually come over here and say, look, I want to be in this location. Alright, so keep it on whilst you surf this web page, and you can just pick a location of your choice. Alright, you can start making money like crazy. Alright, now that you know how much you be earning per 1,000 clicks, let's go register. Don't worry, you don't have to do much at all, not much at all, to start earning 22 per 1,000 clicks. Alright, cool. Very, very easy steps. So let's go on. Register. Alright, so put in your name, your email address, your password, retype your password, and that you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and register. So make sure that your email is unique, because I actually ran into the situation of having my email banned, even though it was a legit email. So just in case they don't approve your email, just create a new email address and just save it for Shrink Me, and you'll be good to go. Alright, so just keep trying it out. If it doesn't work out, then it will work out soon. Sign in with your Google account. Alright, so I'm done with my registration, and this is a little greetings that I get from my Web Shield. So you need to have Avast installed on your computer, or any malware detector. That's very, very important if you're going to be doing activities online. So make sure that you're always protected. Alright, but there's nothing to fear. All you need to do is to say I got it, and then you can continue. But very, very important part for online activities. Alright, so make sure that is set. Alright, so just hit got it and you're ready to go, like I'm gonna do now. Alright, so let me quickly walk you through your dashboard. You get all your news right here, your dashboard. For example, India, Spain, they all have increased amounts now. Cool. So, you can short new link right here. You can set an expiration date, and you can do that right here. Cool. And you can check your statistics. You can check your managed links, all links, all the links will be placed right here. You can check your withdrawals. I even got, $1 for doing nothing, for just registering, so pretty cool. Already $1 earned for just registering. Cool. So you got your tools, quick links. You can check your mass links, just in case you have like 50,000 links, you can just shorten them all right here. I got 3 links, so I can do that right here. You can check, you can start the referral program, and and on and on and on and on and on and on. Alright, now so grab your YouTube link, then you can go shorten it. Alright, so let's go right here. Let's copy this in here and shorten, and there we go. So you can copy this, you can paste it back right here, save it. That's your shorten link, so you're good to go. So I promised you a bonus tip on how to get those 1,000 clicks on your links, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 clicks. You do it once, just leave it there, and just make it grow. Alright, so all you need to do is come to PC Gamer, and so just go to Google and type in PC Gamer forum, and you should come here, and just type in Fortnite. Alright, when you're in Fortnite, I'd suggest you register right here and create an account, so you can start chatting in the forums. Alright, so let's just go into any of these and see what it is and see how it looks like. Alright, so just click here, and when you're here, just scroll through, and I can tell you now that you can't paste links in these forums. Alright, these are links right here, but not in the early stages. If you do that in the early stages, they'll ban you. Alright, so I got a little bonus trick and tip for you right here. You see these profile images here. You could come in here and create a profile image and leave your link in there. Alright, so anyone who sees your link knows what you're about. Alright, and you can also post your profile images in different chat rooms. Alright, but don't post your link. The link, they'll ban you. So I suggest you go to a page called Canva. We all know Canva, and when you're in Canva, just pick a design. It's a free tool. Just type in profile in the search area, get something like this, and then you can just design a little something. For example, I'll just paste my link in here. This is my link in here, pretty big. I took off the HTTPS and all that stuff, so it's just shrinked on me and my link. It's pretty easy to memorize. Put here viral Fortnite, so easy going. So you can paste this on different forums. It's very easy to create. That's your new profile image, and you can be sharing all these links all over, and AIs won't detect you. So pretty cool tip for you right there. All you need to do is go and download. Besides, this platform is for free, you can test it out just for a week or 2 weeks, use all the functions, and then you're good to go. Download it as a JPEG, and then you can also download it as an MP4 video. So you can share your videos on different platforms, on Facebook, Instagram, or even ask other influencers to share it for you, and you'll be cashing in your money. Cool. You can also post it as a SVG data or PDF, send it all around the world. Keep trying this method over and over again. It will only work out if you keep trying. Never stop. However, if this method doesn't favor you at all, then try out this 12-minute method a single grandma adapted to making passive income online in her first week. Maybe you might also get lucky. Making money online is a never-ending process, so come back at least 3 times a week to my channel for new and latest updates on how to make money online. Happy earnings!